is what the buffalo leave behind. Dung. The owl places the dung carefully around his front door. The burrowing owl chicks don't seem impressed by the collection of poop on the stoop. This is not how most wise animals treat their own doorsteps. In fact, this extraordinary bit of decoration is a trap for beetles, dung beetles. The beetles find dung by smell. It is to them building material and food rolled into one. Tons of dung are trundled away. The dung ball, with an egg inside, is buried, a warm and delicious home, at least for a dung beetle larva. But the remarkable little owls have second-guessed them. They collect dung to collect beetles.